I have one question and two feedbacks or suggestions. The first question being, how can I digitally verify the information you're telling me? For example, the registration documents, the legalities, etc. How do I, as a responsible citizen or being legally aware, how can I authenticate this information from authentic government sources? That's the question. And then I have two suggestions. Just like how companies operate, real estate companies operate in Dubai and Qatar or in other countries, is like once you buy a property, you also have to get into a maintenance agreement with the company for a couple of years so that your property is maintained and it's taken care of. So it gives a sense of security as well, right? And then a second thing, which I think one of the gentlemen, he already said, that even those companies take the responsibility of giving capital gains by reselling or doing something with the land. So that's a bit of it. Thank you.
Okay, coming to your security thing, okay, we maintain the project till the community comes and live there, okay? Muzammil, right? Okay, Muzammil, see, you didn't heard, I just answered someone here. We maintain the project till the people come and live there, not for 2 years, not for 3 years. 10 years हो जान दो, लेकिन हम जो है मेंटेनेंस का पर्सन माने वहाँ पे रहते बंदे, okay? And it's been 4 years now in NS Homes. No houses are being made there. Maybe it will take another 3-4 years, but we are servicing them, okay? We are paying every month a salary from Fliv's account. You get it? So no 2 years, no 3 years, and we quit, and then you are on your own, basically back as a developer. They do that, okay? But we don't do that. I know जो लोग purchase कर लिए, and I'm here to help people out more than again money or something, okay? Finances. So that's one thing. Second thing is, you can always verify digitally once we go RERA. Basically in Tukugada we are doing RERA, and RERA का मतलब क्या है? आप जो है सो पूरे documents, link documents जो मैं अभी बोला ये, everything is on portal, okay? So you can just type in and download every documentation from there. That's what RERA is, RERA Act in India. So yes, we do have a portal where you can download the link documents of any project. At the same time, we brought whole set of documents. Okay, so we can take a look as well. But again, I would recommend go with a legal opinion on all the projects. Ansar bhai, हम ना तड़प गए थे, नहीं बैठिए, तड़प गए थे उनसे पैसे लेने के लिए. 15 days का टाइम लगाए, पेपर में ऐड डाले, 7 days पेपर में ऐड रहा, उसके बाद कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया, and then he came and purchased things from Flev, okay? So we are very we will give you time for legal, but अब ये हो गया stage. Ansar bhai said the same, कि we are checking anyway, and we have sold over to 450 people, 500 people. So I think alhamdulillah you can rely on us at least now. It's been 4 years into the business. No one customer who has a grievance. If they have, मैं हूँ उनके लिए, okay?
I want to add one more thing. It was the first project where I was doing with Philip, और दूध का जला छाछ भी फूक फूक के पीता है.
No. Then we supported Ansar bhai.
But I will add to that कि second project Rivendell Farms कोई legal review नहीं हुआ.
बगैर देखे लिए.
Third investment बगैर documentation के हुआ.
हाँ, बगैर documentation के हुआ.
And it was a big amount. It was not a small amount.
Yeah.
क्योंकि I just want to share that it is the trust. Once you build the trust, you can do it. I learned this from Wasim bhai. Either you do investigation on the project, or you do investigation on the people who are driving this thing.
See, I'll
अगर
tell you.
आप public के बारे में convince है, तो then you trust it.
I always pray, Allah make me be on the right path, alhamdulillah, because money can change people, okay? But ऐसा होना नहीं, okay? And I have clear vision to run this business for generations to come, okay? Inshallah.